In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calculator in Notion. If you want quick access to a calculator while working inside your Notion page, this is a simple and useful setup. Instead of switching to another app or opening a separate browser tab every time you need to do a quick calculation, you can place a calculator directly inside your workspace and keep everything in one convenient view. To get started, the first thing you need to do is find an online calculator widget that you want to use. This could be a standard web-based calculator or a calculator widget from a site that supports embedding in Notion. Once you find one you like, copy its URL. Make sure you copy the correct page link for the calculator itself, because that's the link Notion will use to display the embedded tool. Next, head over to your Notion page and click on the blank block where you want the calculator to appear. Choose a location that makes sense for your workflow. For example, you might want it near a budgeting section, a notes area, or a workspace where you regularly do math or planning. Picking the right placement now can help keep your page organized and easy to use later. Once your cursor is in the blank block, type /embed and press enter. This tells Notion that you want to insert content from an external source. It's one of the easiest ways to bring tools like calculators, videos, forms, and other web content directly into a page. After that, paste the calculator URL into the box that appears, and then click Embed Link. Notion will load the calculator inside your page. Depending on the site you are using, it may take a moment to appear, so give it a second if needed. Finally, resize the embedded window by dragging the corners until the calculator fits comfortably on your screen. This part is important because if the frame is too small, some buttons or the display may be hard to see or use. Try adjusting it until the keys are easy to click and the display area is fully visible. If you are using Notion on a smaller screen, you may need to experiment a little to get the best size. And that's it. You now have a calculator embedded right inside Notion, making it much easier to work without breaking your focus.